Hello and good morning. Welcome to G3 Astro. In today's video, let us look at the third part of the 8th house in my advanced astrological classes. I truly believe that every change that happens in our life has a link to the 8th house, or any change that happens in our life is a link to the 8th house. Be it education when we finish SSC to the next level, be it career, be it marriage, be it change of job, be it foreign travel, every positive or negative events that take place in our life is the result of the 8th house. In this video, we shall work with the positivities of the 8th house. Let us begin. Today, I am introducing the Bhava Vat Bhava principle, which is a must for understanding the 8th house qualities. The Bhava Vat Bhava principle is to look at the bhava with respect to another bhava than with respect to the Lagna, which is what we generally do. The basics are generally from the Lagna, but the Bhava Vat Bhava principle allows us to understand a bhava better. I have also given you an example of the Bhava Vat Bhava chart. Let us look at the second house with respect to the 8th house. The 8th becomes the 7th to the second house, Bhava Vat Bhava principle. Therefore, second house stands for family, flow of money, and the 7th stands for spouse, business, business partnership, family business, or partnership business. During any Dasha Bhukti, when there is a PAC between the 8th and the 2nd, it is indicated that there will be flow of money through spouse or business, family business, or partnership. 8th with respect to 4th. 4th stands for happiness and material wealth. 8th becomes the 5th, again the Bhava Vat Bhava principle. 5th stands for Purva Punya. Therefore, gains or punya or happiness from material wealth, acquiring properties, education, so on and so forth, during any Dasha Bhukti having a PAC between the 4th and the 8th indicate positive results in these areas. Benefic aspects of Venus and Jupiter is highly beneficial. 8th with respect to 5th. 5th stands for children, emotions, higher education, certifications, gambling, etc. The 8th is the 4th from the 5th. 4th stands for happiness in these areas. Therefore, a PAC between the 5th and the 8th during any Dasha Bhukti will show results such as happiness from children, getting higher education, monetary gains through gambling. Benefic influence of Venus and Jupiter on these houses during the Dasha Bhukti is highly favorable. 8th with respect to 7th. 7 stands for spouse, partnership, business, and 2nd stands for money, finance, maraka of the spouse. Therefore, during any Dasha Bhukti, having a PAC with the 7th and the 8th will bring about gains through spouse, gains through partnership or family business. 8th with respect to 10th. 10th stands for career, growth, prosperity, or prestige. 8th stands for 11th from the 10th, Bhava Vat Bhava principle. 11th stands for gains. A PAC between the 8th and the 10th in any Dasha Bhukti will give rise to career, or there will be a growth in our career. In my next video, let us look at some of the unfortunate events of the 8th house, mainly Mangalya, which stands for death of a spouse, or in today's world, divorce, loss of parents, and foreign travel, which is a loss to the motherland. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Bye-bye. Have a good day and be safe.